He's not used to this machine.
Bruce Romer, product support manager, 8th December, marketing manager of the new skid-steer loaders. John Hume, product specialist. John Kowski, our territory said, these are our major players that do not protect the equipment of both. All right, so it's getting